Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are discussing about how to create EC2 instance by using user data. So let's get started. Here I am searching EC2 instance. EC2 instance. So I'm going to create launch instance. Here's some of the core components of EC2 instance. This is the template, launch template. Giving us name called get and this image and Linux. This is application and voice images. AMI. AMI means image. So I am selecting as by default image and Linux. This is image and mission image. So I'm selecting as image and Linux 2 kernel. This is instance type. Here some of the types is there. D2 nano, micro, small, medium, large, X large. So many is there. So I'm going to select as D2 micro. And selecting as key pair. So check key pair is not there. So I'm going to create a new key pair with creating key pair. Creating key pair. I'm selecting as webpack. Choose the network settings. In these network settings, I'm going to change the security group and that is HTTP. HTTP means hypertext transfer protocol. And here I'm selecting a source name is anywhere. This 0.0 is nothing but all traffic. Change the advanced details. Advanced details and any details are not changed. Here only going to copy this user data. This is user data. This user data I'm going to copy and paste it in the here I am going to change the user data means some of the prerequisites. Some of the prerequisites I'm going to build build on a commands. What are the commands means to update the server sudo update and to install HTTP. Then after you enable the HTTP, then after you can start the HTTP. This is some message I'm going to give from EC2 app server by using command called sudo. And this is the path and HTML index.html. For in this path, I'm going to this folder. HTML is the folder. In HTML folder, I'm going to create. I'm going to create the going to create the index.html file. In this file, I'm going to copy this hello from EC2 APP-1-Server to copy this folder in the folder. This file, I'm going to copy this data. And then after, I'm going to launch the instance. Successfully successfully initiated launch instance. So I'm going to check out the instances. This server is running now, and check the security port number 80. So I'm going to back and check the details. In the details, I'm going to copy their public IPv4 address and copy the new port number. This is the final output of the YouTube app. The final output of the allow from EC2 server. And yes, user data in this web server, and then after finally what the output from EC2 app server. Please like, share, and